Hello and welcome back to another video. We are at Wörthersee. It was like a meet and we did some fun stuff. What did we do? Dat we nog him. We went biking with a motorcycle. That was really cool. We actually have some clips. I think you can.
Or what?
Wörthersee is now only for lifted trucks.
And for idiots.
As usual.
Ich halte das nicht mehr aus. Oh, das ist abgekackt.
I don't even know what we're doing here.
Hey, da schau.
100%. Howdy.
Sonst ist der Master damit, war mir ja helfen. Wir werden jetzt umbeachtet.
Mission successful. I nearly killed you, but it's good. I really like this snipping thing.
Yeah, you're addicted.
And we did some other stuff like standing around cars and chilling, I guess.
Behind me, it feels like the whole tunnel is collapsing, man. You feel the shockwaves to the front.
That was pretty cool. So yeah, we're at Wörthersee and today there's a drag event here, really close to here in Slovenia, I think.
Yeah.
And I don't have my Super with me, sadly, but I have my VIPER with me, and I've never been to a drag event before, so I think it's going to be fun. I'm probably going to lose everything because it's stick shift, and I don't know how fast I can shift. But yeah, I'm excited, and I don't really have much profile left on my tire. The left tire already is showing the red, but I think it will be alright, so
Let's hope for the best.
let's hope for the best.
So we're on the way to the event now, and I have to say, Slovenia, fix your roads because they are not meant for a VIPER. I'm scraping all the time. Look at the road behind. I hope the drag strip will be in better condition than the road because this is not pleasant to drive the VIPER. Oh yeah. yeah, we have like 25 minutes to go, so I guess we see you at the event. So we arrived at the meet. It's actually bigger than we thought, but we're having some issues because it's so tight with the Raptor. So Mani's driving the Raptor. I think I need to go and help him a little bit. Okay, it looks like he found a solution for the problem. Let me in, man.
So much. Left and right.
Problems of owning a Raptor in Europe. But it's very nice.
That's the best way to go. The proper entry to the pub.
Welcome to Slovenia, bro.
What is this? The tightest fucking meat.
Hello. Thank you. Hey, goodie bag.
Hey, nice.
Hey. They told us we can do a little test run, which we are going to do now. Now let's see how it works.
Das ist mir vergehen gehen.
Yeah, first race lost, although it was only a test run, but still. Okay, so we have a second try now against Mani. I will probably lose again because his car has more horsepower than the Viper, but still it's just so much fun to see how the Viper is performing in the straight.
Wo ist er?
Yeah, so let's cry because I lost and look at the cars that are here. I have a feeling we're not going to win now that I see those cars.
Oh baby.
Oh, sorry. Yeah, so like I said, nice event with very cool cars and good food actually. That's great. I know for a fact that I'm not going to win anything today because I probably chose my worst car for this event. The Viper just has so much downforce and it's manual, but it's still fun, so very good.
racing begins. The other ones were just like freestyle, where you can just test out the car.
What are you doing here?
They told me I'm not allowed to drive.
Why?
Because there's some auto broker event now. Only auto broker guys can drive.
And money.
And money. Okay, so now it's my turn. There was a little bit of confusion. Also now I'm an idiot and I did a small donut in the grass, so my tires are now not really sticky. I don't know what I'm doing, I'm just ending it.
Is that next to a fire truck?
No, I want to wait for a car which is very slow, which is not coming. Maybe the RS3. Oh no, I just saw it as well.
Yeah.
I don't want to.
What the hell, man? I thought he's weak. He's the Air-Boss. 700 steht er.
So yeah, I think we found out that drag racing is not the sport for me. I can't go fast in straight lines, I can only go around corners. Yeah, I lost every race today, very successfully. Perfect, which is very nice. And yeah, I think we're gonna drive back home now. We're gonna show you a picture of my tires to make you understand why I'm not doing any burnouts, because I would rather be doing burnouts at the end of the runway than go up the runway one more time, but I can't. Yeah. So we're gonna drive back home now, clean the Viper and call it a day, I guess. Yeah. So yeah, we made it back to the garage. I hope you liked the video. It was something different than usual, but I wanted to try it out. And yeah, here we are. Viper is clean now. All the cars in the garage except for 2, but I'm running out of space. Perfect. So yeah, hope you liked it.
Subscribe and like.